Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Google Ads review, along with other useful resources, can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Google Ads stands as a powerhouse in the digital advertising landscape, empowering businesses of all sizes to connect with potential customers across various platforms like search, display, YouTube, and more. Operating on a pay-per-click (PPC) model, advertisers only incur costs when users actively engage with their ads, ensuring efficient budget allocation. The platform's sophisticated targeting capabilities, encompassing keywords, demographics, location, and user behavior, allow for pinpoint accuracy in reaching the most relevant audience. A cornerstone of Google Ads is its search network, enabling businesses to strategically position their text-based ads at the top of Google search results. Triggered by specific user keyword searches, these ads effectively capture high-intent traffic, connecting with users actively seeking information or solutions. Expanding beyond search, the display network offers a vast canvas for showcasing image and video ads across millions of websites, significantly broadening brand visibility. For businesses leveraging video marketing, YouTube ads provide a dynamic platform for engaging audiences with compelling video content. E-commerce businesses benefit from shopping ads, which prominently display product images and prices directly within search results, streamlining the path to purchase. Google Ads provides robust analytics and reporting tools, seamlessly integrated with Google Analytics and conversion tracking. Advertisers gain valuable insights into key performance indicators such as impressions, click-through rates, and return on ad spend (ROAS), empowering data-driven campaign optimization. Furthermore, automated bidding strategies and AI-driven recommendations enhance ad performance, simplifying complex campaign management tasks. However, navigating the intricacies of Google Ads requires expertise, as poorly structured campaigns can quickly deplete budgets. Competition for high-value keywords can also drive up costs, emphasizing the importance of meticulous keyword research and strategic bid management. Google Ads proves most effective for businesses aiming to drive targeted traffic, generate leads, or boost sales through digital advertising. Whether you represent a small business or a large enterprise, the platform offers scalable solutions tailored to various budgets and objectives. Success, however, hinges on meticulous campaign setup, a well-defined keyword strategy, and continuous optimization. In conclusion, Google Ads remains a leading choice for digital advertising, owing to its expansive reach, precise targeting capabilities, and data-driven approach. If you're ready to launch effective online campaigns, explore the links provided in the description to embark on your Google Ads journey.